Are you at risk of losing visa-free travel to Europe? If your passport is from one of 61 countries that can visit the Schengen area for up to 90 days, the answer just got maybe. The European Parliament has voted to tighten the rules behind visa-free access. The EU can now suspend that privilege faster, and for more reasons if a country puts security or human rights at risk. Quick refresher. Visa-free means short trips, up to 90 days in any 180. That doesn't change today. What's changing is how quickly the EU can hit pause, and why. Before, suspension was mostly about overstays, serious crimes, or a clear public security threat. Now, the list is bigger. It includes hybrid threats, like using migration as political pressure, golden passports that sell citizenship and create security gaps, human rights or humanitarian law violations, ignoring international court rulings, failing to align with EU visa policy. In short, visa-free travel is a trust agreement. If a country benefits, it has to uphold shared standards. Here's a big twist: accountability can get personal. Instead of punishing an entire population, the EU can target specific officials linked to abuses. Think tailored consequences, not blanket bans. There are clearer benchmarks too. A 30% jump in overstays or serious offenses. That can trigger a review. If 20% of asylum claims from a visa-free country are approved, it may signal abuse of short stays. And yes, the European Commission can make exceptions if the situation warrants it. So, what does this mean for travelers? You don't suddenly need a visa, but your country's status could be reviewed faster if politics or security issues flare up. For EU states, it's about keeping borders secure while staying fair. It's also a reminder: visa-free travel is a privilege, not an entitlement. What happens next? The vote was 518 in favor, 96 against, 24 abstentions. The reform still needs final approval from the EU Council. Once it's in the official journal, it takes effect 20 days later. After that, the Commission can impose a temporary suspension during investigations. If problems persist, that pause can become permanent. Bottom line: if your country upholds the rules, nothing changes. If not, trips to Europe could get a lot more complicated. Fast. Stay informed and check official guidance before you fly.